Let's talk about some current cases that are going on in the world today. So I have to start with the obvious. I know that this is not your area of specialty, but Britney Spears and her conservatorship. I have to start there.
I think I saw the documentary. I thought it was very touching. And it is very disturbing to me that Britney has this conservatorship that's so narrowly, so tight, even if she's got mental health issues, as a lot of people do and a lot of artists do. Surely, the restrictions on her can be loosened to some extent. She can be allowed to have more of a normal life. But there's so much secrecy around it. I really don't know, but I am concerned about the situation.
Would you represent Britney if she called you?
Yeah, sure. I would be very happy to.
I mean, is it likely that she would get out of this? Because again, I don't know, but aren't conservatorships just so hard to get out of? Or you're Lisa Bloom and you would find a way?
I don't think it should be that hard to get out of, frankly. I think it's a high standard to keep a conservatorship on somebody. I mean, they really have to be incapable of managing their own affairs. Here's a woman who does sold out stadium shows. She seems very competent. It's a pretty tough standard, and I don't know if they can continue to meet it if there was really a strong challenge to it.
And it's many years later. I think she's 40. Conservatorships are not really meant for a 40-year-old woman, I don't think.
Right. Who really seems to be able to manage her own life.
Well, maybe now that we put it out in the world, maybe she will call you.
Maybe. We'll see, David.
Listen, if that's the case, you don't even have to, just 1% of your earnings or fees or whatever. Just remember you heard it here first, Lisa.